Yo, what is good? It's your girl Kayla K back again with another video. Don't mind my hair right now. I was in a rush and it's just what we're doing for today. But today I am off. It's my first day off since working and moving to the Cayman Islands. So it's actually an exciting day and my friend's coming back in the car. This is Dion. Say hi.
No habla inglés.
Anyways, we are going to the air show. It's the first air show since when?
2003.
So yeah, Cayman hasn't had an air show since 2003. I haven't personally been to one. He went to one when he was a kid. So it's a really exciting time, and on Saturdays everybody is like off, and it's the shopping day, and it's like every kind of day. So we're going to watch it. So we're just gonna find a spot. Oh my god. Okay.
We're in a Jeep, by the way, guys, so we can do whatever we want.
Apparently.
I'll keep it PG-13 and stuff.
I've sworn, but like, you know, you don't gotta go off now. All right, yeah. So we're just gonna go find a spot and watch the air show. It's pretty cool. Like, man, there's some planes bigger than this island that landed on this island. I don't even understand. Yes, no, it's like the plane I seen is the one in the movies when the people jump out the back and all that, and the cars. Oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So, see you guys in a bit. Right, we made it to the madness. Oh my god. Oh, it was doing a spin. I was like, is it falling? Oh my god. Bro. What the fuck? My god. Bro. What the fuck? Straight up. Bruh, it's falling down. It's actually crazy. Like, what the? Wow. What?
It's gonna stall and fall.
It's going straight up.
No, watch it stall. Stall out, drop down.
Are you kidding me?
Yes. Stall out now.
And come right back.
And maneuver, he brings it right down close to the water.
Bro, this is amazing. Right over the water too. People in the water.
Being on a boat today was.
That's true. Full circle. Yeah, you did. Red Bull. Bruh, nah. I'm scared. Oh my god. How are they in the plane?
Air life, watching the G-forces.
I am just in awe right now. I've never seen anything like this. Unless I did as a kid, I don't know. But this is really cool.
A few moments later.
So it looks like we came here right at the end. So, but I saw enough, like that was really cool. So yeah, everyone's kind of just hanging out at the beach now. They're playing music, and yeah, we're just gonna hang out and then see what the day has to offer. Oh, those are so cool. Police ATVs. And this is the army truck, Cayman Army. That's so cool. So how did you enjoy the show?
We kind of missed it because you wouldn't come out of your house. Bloopers. I have very red nose. Holy shit.
You didn't give me the 10-minute warning I asked for.
I didn't see it.
It was there. I said, tell me 10 minutes before you're coming. Anyway. But like, we saw a little bit and it was pretty good.
I only read the sign. The roads are bad.
Proof. You see, it's all in the text.
Okay.
We're in traffic now, trying to get out of... Okay, I guess y'all's making it So yeah, we had fun. I mean, it was a little... We caught a little bit of action.
And some sun.
Some nice sun and some nice shade, and it was nice. The beach, beautiful.
God, you know what I'm doing?
So what are you doing?
I know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Same way I got to the parking spot, we're getting out of the wrong thing.
Oh, we should have just done that in the first place.
Yeah.
Side road things.
Whoa, look at this, traffic free.
So why does nobody like do this?
They think this is a private road and people can't really drive on it because it's the driveways, right? But it's so bumpy as well.
Sure.
Look at this. Hi guys!
We're going past all the traffic. Shout out to the side. We had fun. We saw like some cool stuff, so can't complain. We'll see what else happens today. Listen to some dance hall or Afro beats, please.
It's just in my lip.
Oh, you done stuff?
I'm going to dust it off so you can just dust off yourself first.
Well, what did you think about what you saw at the air show?
Planes looked like they were going to crash.
Bro.
The one that stalled, but he stalled and it started dropping down. I was like, that was pretty fucking good.
But I thought it was going to go down faster.
Yeah, so did I, but he was still propping up, right?
Anyways, nothing interesting happening. We're just in traffic. So yeah.
Little traffic.
2 hours later.
So this is Stripey. Hungry. It's coming, child. Are you gonna sit outside? Good food, that. She just licks out the gravy. She doesn't even eat the actual thing. And then sometimes I have to put it in the fridge because we just eat up the gravy. Maybe it's too like chunky for her. But it's soft. Oh no, she's hungry today. I think it's better than the hard one. Is it yummy, Stripey? Yummy? She had like a big bite of it and then she's licking it now. She's about to finish the whole plate. The other cats and chickens don't know. So I'm going to a Thanksgiving dinner tonight. With my mom. But for those who don't know, my mom just adopts random animals and they are fed when they come here. But they don't live here, they just come here to eat. Anyway. So I don't know what else I'm gonna have in this vlog today, but in case I have nothing else to show you, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Really bad lighting. Yeah, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Let me know if there's anything that you want to see or want to know about, any questions you have, leave them in the comments. I make sure that I answer all the questions.